नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bengali Senior Secondary School, Delhi. Today we are here to present something from the Swadeshi criteria of the innovation that we are speaking of from the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. We have our students from the team of Naye Bharat Nirmata, and here our students of class 9, 8, 6 are present here to represent the art form of different parts of India, representing a diverse culture in this unity.
Hello everyone, I hope all are doing well. We are a team of Naye Bharat Nirmata. So we have made lots of folk art from all over the states, as you can see, as I have made a Pijwai art on a kurta and also a Pijwai art of a Srinath in a bag and a Wali painting which is traditionally done in a muds, and this is a folk art of Maharashtra. I have done it on a mud cup, and the Pijwai art is a traditional art form of the Rajasthan. So I have made this 3 folk art.
I am Ripon Ghosh from Bengali Senior Secondary School, Delhi. Today our team Naye Bharat ke Nirmata will present on folk art. We made 3 types of folk art. First, Madhubani art. We made Madhubani art on this handkerchief and it is traditionally done in Bihar. Second, Worldly art. We made Worldly art on this mud diya. It is traditionally done in Maharashtra. And finally, and third, we made Kalamkari art on this mud plate. It is traditionally done in Andhra Pradesh.
Hello everyone, my name is Diya Acharjya and we made from Alpana in Kulo in West Bengal from, and is Andhra Pradesh in the handkerchief is Kalamkari art. I am Sneha Biswas from class 8. I have made a Pijwai art from Rajasthan, Patachitra from Odisha and West Bengal, and Mandala art from Gujarat.
Everyone, my name is Mohammad Afridi. I am from class 6C. I made a wild folk art on a matka. I make this.
Have made this all of the folk art, especially on the items which we use oftenly, so we can connect with our folk art and that will not be declining. Thank you.
भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान, भर लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान.